I want you to imagine this. You've put in hours and hours of work into your YouTube shorts and they get stuck at just 20 views. This is what you're thinking. I've put in all of the work, I've listened to all the gurus, and still I don't have the results. Well, let me tell you this, you are focusing on the wrong things. In order to go viral, you need to do exactly what the YouTube algorithm wants you to do. I was stuck at 20 views too until I started using this one strategy that allowed me to get millions of views on my shorts. This will be a build-up strategy. Trick number 1 leads into trick number 2, trick number 3, and 4. If you combine all of them, instead of growing like this, you will actually grow like that. YouTube Shorts is the attempt to compete with platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. They're already doing a great job, however in 2023 they'll start monetizing Shorts, meaning a lot of TikTok creators will most likely hop over to YouTube Shorts because they can make more money. YouTube Shorts is currently one of the fastest ways to get an audience and get views. However, you need to do it the right way. The YouTube Shorts algorithm is not playing, it's nuts. If you choose to ignore Shorts, you lose out on massive opportunities. These can help you grow your channel and meet your objectives like crazy. Alright, so we know that a lot of TikTok creators as well as Instagram Reel creators will hop over onto YouTube Shorts. That's great for them, but that means more competition for us. How do we actually beat them? As we all know, YouTube looks at the audience retention. Let's say they've got a video with 20% retention and a video with 50% retention. Which video is going to perform the best? Obviously, it's going to be the one with 50% as people watch it for longer. Thus, YouTube makes more money. At the end of the day, that's what they care about. Now with Shorts, your audience retention needs to be even higher, close to 100% if you really want to go viral. So how do we get this done? Maintaining the attention from a viewer is a skill set that you need to build in order to create successful YouTube Shorts. Here are a few tips in order to do so. Number 1, cut the fluff. Go straight to the point and give the viewer what they came for. Avoid using unnecessary bridge words. For example, if you can leave out a specific sentence or word, do it because it will make it more concise and easier to watch. Number 2, learn how to tell stories. Telling a good compelling story is one of the best ways to get viewers' attention and obviously maintain it. People's attention spans are really low as of today due to platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. All of the content on there is like this. It's snappy, it keeps going, which triggers a part in the brain where if you watch long form content or really slow made content, you're simply gonna get bored and you're gonna click away to the next thing that will be like this. Number 3, add zoom in and zoom out. This will make the video more engaging to watch because the screen is always changing. Number 4, add subtitles to your videos. You'll see this a lot on Instagram, TikTok, and Shorts as of right now. Not everyone that's watching a short can listen to it as well. For example, you're on the subway in New York, you're on your phone, and you cannot listen with audio. What do? If there's no subtitles, you'll skip the video. If there are subtitles, you can continue to watch it, which will then boost your attention. Skip the call to action. If you're selling, you could try this. However, with entertainment-based videos, you want to make sure to cut the fluff once again, so don't do any stupid call to action like leave a like on the video. Please subscribe. Those are the exact moments where people click off, which will make your audience retention drop. Even though all of that stuff works, wait until you see this one. In order to get more views, you need your current viewers to come back. Mr. Beast is one of the best to do this. When YouTube sees that people keep coming back to your videos, they'll think, hey, people like this channel, let's promote this a bit more to other people, because chances are the new ones will keep coming back too. You want to aim to get more returning viewers than new viewers. This is an indication that people actually like your content and that they keep coming back to see more. You can go to analytics, you can go to audience, and you can see how many new viewers and returning viewers your channel has. If it's the other way around, meaning you've got more new viewers than returning viewers, that's not bad at all, because that means more people are now able to find your channel. All we need to do is convert them into returning viewers, especially with Shorts. If people start watching all of your Shorts after each other, you've got great session time, meaning people are binge watching your Shorts. Now that's the best sign that you can give to YouTube for them to push it more. The key to getting more returning viewers on your Shorts is consistency. Now with that, I don't just mean the uploading consistency, however, I mean every single element in the YouTube game, meaning the branding, the editing, the concepts, basically everything that can be consistent, make it consistent so that people know what to expect. If they watch a previous short and they like it a lot and you stay consistent, they'll probably like your next one too, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. That creates that binge watching effect, which will make you go viral. You can introduce series or formats to your short videos, meaning there's a format that keeps coming back. If people like the first episode, they'll probably like the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. A great example of this is a channel called How Ridiculous. They actually have these challenges that very much look alike, however, every single time it's just a slightly different challenge. However, if you're hooked on the first short, you'll definitely like the second one, the third one, and the fourth one that the algorithm serves you. As soon as that starts happening, you'll start watching all of them, and there you go. Their shorts are now getting pushed like crazy, and they actually do. Take a look at their view count. It's pretty insane. Now those two are great. great. However, you can really make sure you can create that binge watching effect by applying the tips, which are creating loops at the end of the video or adding an end screen, depending on what you want to achieve. If you want to get more audience retention, you can try to loop the video, meaning people aren't going to notice that the video has ended and it started again. Here's a quick example of how people do this.
We've toured the spaces of a lot of different creators, but I truly think that this one will be the craziest that we've ever seen because it's going to have a 330-foot tower to make trick shots, a mini golf course.
Because people don't notice they're actually watching the beginning again, your audience retention will get boosted. However, this doesn't create that binge watching effect. So what you can also do is leave another video at the end screen on a short. I know that sounds a bit vague, however, people actually do this and it works. Once again, if you have watched the first video and you simply put another video on the screen that's exactly the same or it's in one of the formats or series that I just explained to you, people will click and they'll watch it again. You then add another one, another one, another one, and that makes sure to create that binge watching effect. So that probably happens naturally if your videos are good enough. However, you can stimulate it by adding end screens to the next video, the next video, the next video, the next video. I do this with my personal channel too. Click right there to learn more about the YouTube Shorts program. You see what I did there?